Hello guys, let's start our lesson about dividing decimal by whole numbers. Let's start the exercise. 51.65 divided by 5. Here I'm gonna write the number in the draft, the dividend 51.65 under the line, and the divisor will be out of the line. Now let's count how many digits here in the dividend. Here we have 2 digits, decimal point, and 2 digits. So also the quotient will be 2 digits, decimal point, and 2 digits. Let's leave here spaces according to the number in the dividend. And now in the draft, let me write table 5 from 0 till 5. And if I need more, I will continue. Now the first step in dividing, 5 divided 5 equal what? Let me check here in the table. We have here 1. So I'm going to write 1 up. 1 multiplied by 5 equal 5. Then let's make subtraction. 5 minus 5 equals 0. After that, let's bring down. Bring down 1 and repeat again the steps. 1 divided by 5. Let me check here in the table. 1 is between 0 and 5. So I will choose the smallest and nearest. So I'm going to write 0 up. Then 0 multiplied by 5 equal 0. Then let's make subtraction again. 1 minus 0 equal 1. And let me drop down 6. So now it's 16. 16 divided by 5. Let me see here in the table. 16 is between 15 and 20. So I will choose the smallest and nearest. I'm going to write 3 up. Then 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15. Let's make subtraction. 16 minus 15 equal 1. Let me bring down 5. It will be 15. And repeat again the steps. 15 divided by 5. Here we have 15. So I'm going to write 3 up. Then 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15. Then subtraction. 15 minus 15 equals 0, 0. So the answer is 10.33. In the next exercise, we have here 26.4, the dividend. I'm going to write it under the line, and 22 is the divisor. It will be out. Then let's count how many digits here we have in the dividend. We have 2 digits, decimal point, and 1 digit. So also the quotient will be 2 digits, decimal point, and digit according to the numbers in the dividend. Let's write here table 22 from 0 till 5. And if I need more, I will continue. Let's start 2 divided 22. It can, so I'm going to write 0. How to make this number bigger? By select the next number. It will be 26. 26 divided by 22. Let me check here in the table. 26 is between 22 and 44. I'm going to take here the smallest and nearest. So I'm going to write 1 up. 1 multiplied 22 equal 22. Then let's make subtraction. 6 minus 2 equal 4, and 2 minus 2 equal 0. Now let's bring down 4. It will be now 44, and we'll repeat again. 44 divided by 22. Let me check here in the tables. We have here 2. So I'm going to write 2 up. Then 2 multiplied 22 equal 44. Then let's make subtraction. 44 minus 44 equal 0, 0. And happy face. So the answer will be here, or the quotient will be 1.2. Another exercise. We have 4.2 divided by 7. I'm going to write the dividend here, 4.2, and the divisor would be out. And let's count how many digits here in the dividend. Digit, decimal point, and digit. So also the quotient will be digit, decimal point, and digit. I will leave a space here according to the numbers of dividend. And let's write here in the draft table 7 from 0 till 5, and if I need more, I will continue. Now let's start. 4 divided by 7. It can? Of course, no. So I will write 0. How to let this number bigger? By select the next number. So it will be 42. Now let me check here. I stopped at 35, so I must continue. 7 multiplied 6 equals 42. So I will select this number. Then I'm going to write here 6 up. 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. Let's make subtraction. So 42 minus 42 equals 0, 0 and happy face. So the quotient will be 0.6. The next exercise, here we have 187.5, the dividend, I'm going to write it under the line, and 15 is the divisor, I'm going to write it out. Now let's count how many digits here in the dividend, 3 digits, decimal point and another digit. So I will make spaces, 3 spaces, decimal point and space according to the numbers in the dividend. And now let's write table 15 in the draft from 0 till 5. And if I need more, I will continue. Let's start. 1 divided by 15, yes, equals 0. I can't. So let me select the next digit to become bigger. 18 divided by 15. Let me see here in the tables. 18 is between 15 and 30. I will choose the smallest and nearest. So I'm going to write 1 up. 1 multiplied by 15 equals 15. Let's make subtraction. 18 minus 15 equals 3 and 1 minus 1 equals 0. I will not write it. Now let's drop down 7. Now it will be 37. 37 divided by 15. Let me check here in the tables. 37 is between 30 and 45. So I will select here the smallest and nearest. So I'm going to write up to 2 multiplied 15 equals 30. And let's make subtraction. 37 minus 30 equals 7. And now let's bring down 5. It will be 75. 75 divided by 15. Let me see here in the table. Yes, I have 15 times 5 equals 75. So I'm going to write 5 up. Then 5 multiplied 15 equals 75. And let's make subtraction. 75 minus 75 equals 0, 0. So the quotient is 12.5. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.